still back doing the SwellPro. It carried the Type 3, the lightweight Type 3, about 1 pound, pretty well. We did get some drift in the wind, so now we're gonna push it. I mean, I know this is heavy, and for the firefighters out there, know these things are pretty stout. This is a Type 5 with metal equipment and gloves and everything else. It's about a 4 pound PFD, and we're just gonna see if it can even pick it up. You know, we'll just see what it can do. Let me step back here just in case. So pretty much everything she has is doing.
It's doing it.
Wow.
And holding a hover.
Pretty good. If you just let it go, it'll hold a hover.
Yep. Yeah, I thought it was even kind of
Shifting just a little bit.
yeah, it's descending on its own.
So we're pretty much, you'd say, pretty much maxed out for functional purposes at about 4 pounds in. And there's the release mechanism, and it one flick of the switch and it operated without fail. So we're probably the very most you could ever lift up with this would be maybe 5 pounds, but you aren't going to maneuver very well. It was kind of struggling and had all it could do, but anyway, but it did it. If you had to deliver that class 5, you could actually do that, so it's good to know.